YouTube, how the heck is going? So today I'm on my way to go pick something up for the channel, and it's gonna be the new project car for the K series. So let's get into that. So it's probably been like 10 seconds for you. I might have added some road trip videos, but I had to drive over 2 hours to get to this car. But here it is. It isn't the cleanest. This was kind of like a bought sight unseen, but it is K ready, so let's look at it. So he redid the engine bay, got the K series mounts on for his project that he was going to do to it, and sold it. But now I'm taking over everything, and I'm probably gonna change the color of this, clean it up a little bit, get rid of all the panels. Like, I don't need this hood, I don't want all that rust. Tighten all this shit back down because he didn't do it. I got this car pretty much for a steal, kind of, not really. I got it for like 500 bucks. It is a 96, so it is a EK. It is okay. There are some things, like you can tell that there is a whole bunch of Bondo. You could hear it, that it sounds like all Bondo there. Bondo there, maybe some Bondo there, but there's also still rust. There is rust over here, but again, it sounds like some Bondo. So this thing might have been an accident, I'm not sure, but what mattered to me the most is the rust up here. I could fix this. This stuff is easy, but trying to do a new skin on the roof would be kind of a shit show. So it's just the beginning. We'll get it done. You know, first couple days are always rough with a car. Also, he said there was all 4 wheels. It didn't come with it, and we looked around for a little while in his work area, because I got it from a mechanic shop. Cool thing is, came with another K20 pump. It's like 250,000 on the dash. And he also kind of robbed me. It was supposed to be a shifter there, K series shifter, that he had apparently bolted down. That was supposed to come with a car for 500. But it is what it is. I ain't that mad. New wheels will come soon. Rust will be fixed. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the engine bay painted this color. Kind of still iffy on it, but we'll see what I do. The other cool thing is, in the trunk has the wire harness for K20. So K20 and K24, the wire harness should match. And yeah. Also, there is coilovers in this. All 4 sides. There are actual coilovers. So let me bring back the rental. I only had to U-Haul for 4 hours, so it's almost there. I got like a half an hour left. I still got to go fuel up and do all that stuff, and we'll get back to wash the car. So this isn't going to be a full clean. I just want to spray off this dust and this mud and see what it looks like underneath. So to be honest, I ain't even mad about this like green yellow. I kind of kick it. I'm looking at it some more. I just don't like how it looks monster green, the energy green. But I can fuck with it. So yeah, here it is. Like I said, ain't bad on the inside. I looked underneath the car, there's no rust underneath the car. I just gotta check how far this goes. And then on the other side, the trunk. The interior isn't bad. Of course, I'm not going to keep any of it. You know what I mean? Can't have that. But the trunk isn't terrible. That looks like all surface shit that not surface, the Dynamat shit that I can pull off. I don't see anything else. The bumper isn't on, but obviously that's gonna probably come out too. There's a little bit of rust right here. Again, guys, this was kind of a sight unseen car. There's a harness to the old car, or to this originally. What was in this? The G16. I want to say this was the EX. Looks like an EX there. So it probably had the D16Y8. Looks like the harness for, yeah, that is the harness for K20 or K20. The rest of the loom. So things that need to be done: hood replaced, engine put in, trans, and new wheels. Fix the rust here, fix the rust in the trunk, fix the rust here, and the glass has to come out. Fix this, see how far that goes, and we'll call it. Of course, we're gonna have to gut the interior. This time I'm probably gonna keep the dash. I'm not gonna take the dash out because 3-pedal assembly is already in there. Of course, all the interior, like I said, has to go. Carpets have to go. I am probably gonna repaint this whole thing black, but I might get it professionally done, or I might just sand it, get a good primer on it, and get it wrapped like a satin black. I want to do matte black, and I can't find matte anywhere or satin anywhere. All I'm finding is the gloss and the turbo cans. And then I don't know, it is growing on me, but I'm not 100% sure about the green. I like the whole black and purple theme, or black and white, so I might paint the engine bay white, might not. I might just leave it green and go from there. So I'm gonna call it there. We're gonna need a name for this car, so put it down in the comments what you think it should be. We already have the Civic, the Shittick, aka we've been calling it Dahlia because the Black Dahlia murder. I don't know, it just sounded cool. So we gotta find a name for this car right here. Then yeah, we'll get it started soon. Like I said, you're not gonna see a whole bunch of uploads about this vehicle and about the whole K series. It's just gonna happen where I'm just gonna record and record and record and record, and so I'll have about a month to 2 months of video. Then I'll slowly start letting things out. Do it like every 2 days. I'll have a video come out, and instead of doing this when I can, record as many videos as I can, then release them sporadically. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Adios.